The official notifications of GATE 2022 have been announced, and in this video I am going to discuss about the opening date of online application, GATE 2022 exam papers, and the fees of this exam, and finally the eligibility criteria of this exam. So without wasting any time, watch the video till the end. So welcome to a new video of OVG's Biology. So now what is GATE? GATE, or the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, is a test that primarily tests the comprehensive understanding of various undergraduate subjects in engineering and science for admission into the master's program and recruitment by some public sector companies. And in this year, the organizing institute for GATE 2022 is Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, or IIT Kharagpur. Now let's look at the important dates of this exam. So the online application process of GATE 2022 is going to open on 30th August 2021 in the official website of GATE 2022, which is gate.iitkgp.ac.in. And the closing date of regular online registration or application process is 24th September 2021, and the closing date of extended online registration or application process is 1st October 2021. Now if there is any defect in your application, then the display of defective applications to rectify will be available on 26th October 2021, and the last date for rectification of applications will be 1st November 2021. The last date of change of category, paper and examination city is 12th November 2021, and the admit card will be available in the official website of GATE 2022 on 3rd January 2022. And the most important thing is the date of the GATE 2022 exam is 5th February 2022, 6th February 2022, 12th February 2022 and 13th February 2022, both in the forenoon and afternoon session. And the expected date of publication of results is 17th March 2022. Now let's come to the eligibility criteria of this exam. So a candidate who is currently studying in the 3rd or higher years of any undergraduate degree program can apply for this exam. A candidate who has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering or technology or architecture or science or commerce or arts is eligible for appearing in the GATE exam. The candidates who possesses certifications from any of the professional societies must ensure that those examinations conducted by the societies are approved by MOE or AICTE or UGC or UPSC as equivalent to BE or BTech or BArch or B Planning program, etc. And the candidates who have obtained or are pursuing their qualifying degree from countries other than India must be currently in the 3rd or higher years or completed their bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or science or arts and commerce, and the duration of the course must be at least 3 years. And the detailed eligibility criteria of this GATE 2022 exam is given in the official website of GATE 2022, and the link of this website is given in this description box of this video. So now let's discuss about the application fees of GATE 2022. So for a female candidate, for a single paper, the application fees is Rs 750 in the period of 30th August to 24th September, and after that in the extended period the application fees will be Rs 1250, and this period will be 25th September to 1st October 2021. And for SC or ST or PWD category candidates, the application fees per paper is Rs 750 in the regular period, and in the extended period the fees will be Rs 1250. And for all other candidates or for the candidates of general and OBC category, the fees for a single paper is Rs 1500 in the regular period, and In the extended period, the fees will be 2000 per paper. Now let's look at the GATE 2022 exam papers. And the exam papers are Aerospace Engineering, Agricultural Engineering, Architecture and Planning, Biomedical Engineering, Biotechnology, Civil Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Computer Science and Information Technology, Chemistry, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Environmental Science and Engineering, Ecology and Evolution, Geomatics Engineering, which is a new paper in this GATE 2022, and Geology and Geophysics, Instrumentation Engineering, Mathematics, Mechanical Engineering, Mining Engineering, Metallurgical Engineering, Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering, which is again a new paper in this GATE 2022, Petroleum Engineering, Physics, Production and Industrial Engineering, Statistics, Textile Engineering and Fiber Science, Engineering Sciences, Humanities and Social Sciences, and Life Sciences. These are the exam papers of GATE 2022 for which you can apply as per your eligibility. So this was all about the GATE 2022 exam notifications. So thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and share the video, and please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. So we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.